there is a very nice tutorial for the people who are using Photoshop and they are copying transparent PNG files into their Photoshop projects. And normally what happens is that if you copy a transparent file, for example over here I've searched for some PlayStation logos. If I copy this logo and paste it into my Photoshop document, it will be copied with this black background because the Windows clipboard does not recognize an image transparency. So the normal process is that you have to save this image onto your desktop or some folder, and then you import it again into Photoshop to preserve its transparency. But there is a better and a quicker way without needing to save the photo or the image, and you can import it directly into your Photoshop. So what you can do is you search for your image, and instead of copy image over here you use copy image location, and then go to Photoshop, File, Open, and paste the address of that image over here and press open. The Photoshop will download this image directly into the application. Sometimes you might see a pop-up like this. Press OK and the image is open in Photoshop. Now you can just copy it or drag it into your document, and there you go. The image with complete transparency is available for use without needing to save it anywhere on your desktop. Thanks for watching.